In the 1999 RPG Planescape, Torment, the ambient soundscape creates a living city that breathes with every alley conversation unraveling morality. The sound design uses layered ambient whispers and distant footsteps that anchor players to the moral maze of Sigil. Rather than flashy battle choirs, its audio nudges players toward quiet reflection after each existential choice. This approach influenced later narratively driven RPGs, showing how sound can carry story when visuals are restrained. Even decades later, surviving recordings remind players that listening is a core mechanic of the journey for players.